So today I'm very excited. I just had received a box. It's come from US, you can see, and I ordered it in ebay.com. And they sell, I think they sell something a little bit expensive. Before I bought from expensive HK, it is a little bit cheaper. GearBest also is another website I usually bought. This is the first time I bought from ebay.com. Let's open the box. It is an Alexa Echo Show 5. I have Echo Dot third generation and Echo Dot second generation. I bought it because it has a very small screen, so I can see on the screen also while I'm controlling my smart things, smart home, like controlling TV, light, AC, bulb, doorbell, everything I can control in this one. It's a nice protected packing. Here it is. Yes. Very excited to open it. Nothing in the box is Echo Show 5 is written there. And Amazon do a nice packing. It's a quality packing. You can see is some what you can do with the Alexa Echo Show 5. Let's open the box. Yep, nice packing quality. Feeling touch, very nice. So Echo Show 5 is written what I can do with Alexa, play my morning music, show me, here you can see the Alexa, Amazon is written there with the logo on it. And you can see here is compatible with Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, built-in camera cover. And here you can see what Alexa can do. Alexa can show you things made to fit your life, control a smart home, and boredom is nothing, just some barcodes. Let's open it. Wow, yes, here it is. The Alex Echo Show 5. Take it out. Yeah, here it is itself. It's, it's protected with plastic cover. Yes, you can see the back side. And let's see inside what else. Here is the some user kind of user manual you can see. Um, how do you maintain this Alexa Echo Show 5? And this is some instruction how to command to the Alexa. So this can listen. This is very useful. You can keep it because if you don't know how to tell it properly, maybe it will not listen. So maybe here is some example like how to play the radio station. Okay, let's see inside. Here is the charger. Is It's a problem in Hong Kong because the charger is 2 pin, is US charger. So you need to use a converter, 3 pin, 2 pin to 3 pin converter. This is a pin type charger. You can see, yeah, you can use a converter. I will show you how I fit on my power outlet later on. Let's open the plastic protections. Yeah, touching very nice. This is a 5-inch screen, so it's called EcoShow 5. Here you can see the mid button, volume down, and then volume up, and then you can see the physical on off button for the camera. You can physically off the camera if you use it in your bedroom. This is very nice because if this is the air vent for cooling system. This is a soft rubber under the bottom, and yeah, this is and then this in the back you have the charger port 3.5 audio output. You can see here how I fit this charger in my power outlet using a converter. You can bought it in outside $5 or $10, maybe the smaller one. Let's power it up. Just plugged in the charger, it will come up automatically. There is no physical power off and on button. Yeah, it's come up now. You see Amazon logo. Echo. One of the reason I bought it to show you guys because if you if you if you bought Echo Dot, you know that in Hong Kong we can't find the Amazon Echo app in the Google Play Store because it is restricted. So if you can't download the Amazon Echo app, then you can't use it. But I I managed to download it in the Google Play, and I have a separate video how to do it. But for Echo Show 5, you no need to download any app, Amazon app. So because in Hong Kong you have problem to download the Amazon Echo app. So without app you can set up it and use it. So this is a benefit for the Hong Kong. But if you're interested how to download the Amazon Echo app and use it, I have a separate video. You can do that. I also have this app in my iPhone, and you can do it in Android also. Yeah, you can increase or decrease the volume with the physical button on it. So you can see you have to select the language. So I choose it English, United States. Searching for your network, I mean the Wi-Fi. So I choose my one. Just choose it. It's very easy to set up. Just follow the instruction and do next, next, next. So I choose my Wi-Fi, and it is asking about the Wi-Fi password. Then just put your Wi-Fi password. Make sure it is correct. Yes, it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. And basically, you need the Wi-Fi to operate any kind of smart home device. Now it's asking for Amazon account. I have my account. If you don't have, you can go to Google and search for A- Amazon Alexa account, then sign up for an account. It's very easy. Just fill up the form, then sign up and put that same email address as you during your sign up process. You used it. So same email address you use here and password also. For me, it take a little bit time because my Amazon Echo account is a two-step verification process. So it will, when I sign in, it will send me a code in my mobile. Then I put the code, and then it will sign in. But for you, if you didn't, if you it doesn't enable this extra security, it's easy. Just put your Amazon Echo account email. It's sending me the my. So you should be patient because it take little bit time. Mm, For you, it will not ask any code because maybe when you sign up, you should not uh, enable the two-step verification code. But so it will be more easy. Just give your email address and password, and then it will sign up easily. So sign up is done. You can see welcome is welcoming me. You just do continue, and the rest of the process is very straightforward. You have to choose the June, um, choose China Standard Time. I was looking for Hong Kong, but I didn't find anything. So searching a while for Hong Kong, then didn't find anything. So you just have to choose China Standard Time, Shenzhen. Later on, you can place you can place your correct zone, but I can find. So just I think I have to choose. Yeah, China Standard Time, Shenzhen, China. That's okay. Later you choose. So you give a name for. You can choose group if you create group in your Alexa device, and then you give a name of your Equation. It's run as Equation file, but I want to give it name sitting room because I will place it in the sitting room. So I give it sitting room. Naming is completed and loading. Updating now. It will.
Updating this device.
You just click and
Updating this device.
yeah, now it will take uh, 10 to 20 minutes. In my case, it's take long. I think 25 minutes, depending on the Wi-Fi speed. And same time, if you have an Alexa app in your mobile, your app will automatically detect this new device. You can show it's come up in my phone, Alexa app. Nice fabric cover, like touching, very nice. So here you can see this is my Alexa Echo Dot second generation. This one will be replaced by this Echo Show 5. Yeah, it's been long time, almost 3 years I've been using this one. It's very nice, but now it's time to replace. Alexa is now my family member. Without Alexa is not possible. It's very difficult for me because a lot of things is doing for me. Woke me up in the morning, light on off, fan on off, AC on off, TV on off, show me the security camera in my home, play music, play radio. A lot of things is doing now for me. So without Alexa is not, it's very difficult. And not only me, all the family members is used to getting help from the Alexa now. So the updating is done now. It will reboot 2 times. So when you set up this Alexa Echo Show 5, at least you need 1 hour in hands and do it. It easy, but it's take time because it's updating, downloading, then installing. Updating this part is long, 25 minutes at least. So you have to play this part because there is no way to escape it.
I'm back. Let's continue.
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like. 80s pop on Amazon Music.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
This device is ready.